Greetings and great rising. Look at the mustards. Hi, look at the mustards. They just pop up anywhere. But I got a surprise. It came yesterday. So I am letting it charge up on regular AC power. This is the Nature's generator. And it's saying the battery full already. It said let it charge. So since it's full already, I'm going to hook the solar panels up. This is the solar panel. I did not know the solar panel was going to be that big. Like, I never read the dimensions. I thought it was going to be like a little puny little solar panel, but it's not. And this is the 1800 watts. And I'm gonna put the link in the description of the tutorial I watched to assemble the bracket back here. And yeah, very nice lady, very informative, has a lot of prepper videos. And I never had to pull out the book for this. Now, to assemble this, it had about 8 stages. And I had to assemble that by myself because she bought a Renogy. She bought a Renogy solar panel and not this one. And she explains in the video why she didn't buy the Nature's generator solar panel. But I wanted the deal, the $999 deal with free shipping. So I got what it came with because, you know, I got solar panels around here and batteries and inverters and charge controllers, but they're all over the place. That's just for me traveling in the last 7 years trying to do solar panels. But I went on and got this generator because I will be building it up. I will be buying the cubes because just the 1800 alone, they say if you buy 5 or 7 cubes, you could run AC, you could run your whole house. Like, I'm just saying normal lights, normal usage. But if you just want to run one AC unit or your AC, you could if you get the 7 cubes. So I'm going to build up the 7 cubes with the 1800 wattage. So I just wanted to show y'all. I assembled this bad boy and I got it in winter mode. See, it has winter and it has summer, and I got it in winter mode. So since it's fully charged, I only had it plugged up for like 5 minutes. And it's fully charged, so I'm gonna plug up the solar panels and the let it charge that way and stay charged, keep it charged. Okay, so there we have it. And this is not sponsored or nothing. And if you listen, I don't know her name by heart, but I will post her link in the description. It's funny to meet somebody from across the world because she's in California and I'm in Florida. And I researched all these generators, and the only one that I liked was this one because you could build off of it and you can add more generators to it. And you can piggyback more and more and more with the generators and the batteries. And I looked at all the other ones and they're simply like overpriced. And you couldn't add more to it. Like, I can see if I had to pay $2,000 for this because I could add more to it. Whereas the other ones, you're gonna spend $2,400 and you can't add more wattage hours, kilowatt hours to it. So yeah, but the reviews almost scared me on this one. People had all types of savage reviews, but you know, I took my chances anyway. Okay, so now I got it hooked up to the solar power. It's just 3 clicks. And now it says battery charging on solar panel. See the solar panel down there? But look at all that cord. When I seen all that cord, I said, oh, they really looking out for us. That's a lot of cord, y'all. That means I could put this solar panel on the roof or anything. Look how much cord that is. So it was full with the AC input, but now is with the solar panels, it's saying battery charging. So I just wanted to show y'all that. Okay, so I come back about 30 minutes later and it still says charging with the panel. Well, the AC input, it said it was full, so I don't know why it's still charging. And I think I got the main power off. Oh, that thing takes Bluetooth. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that it still says charging with these panels, but when I had the AC input, it said full. And we have chemtrails trying to block the sun. And then they done put a whole band of something over there. But just because I'm out here relaxing, enjoying the sun, this what we got. This what we got.